we go, underway between the Islanders and the Lightning at UBS Arena. Good save. Crap. Oh. Beautiful save. Come on. Oh. Crap. No. There we go.
Welcome to UBS Maroon!
Oh my goodness.
It's a kidney shot!
Come on. Oh.
Get that book.
Oh.
That's right, Zach.
Good. Go. Oh. Good save. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Damn. Oh, okay. Chase him. Come on. Oh. Turnover. Go. 2-on-1. Oh. Go. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Good hit. Go. Turnover. Oh. Up. Keep it in. Keep it in. Keep it in. Go. Got it. Go. Go. Come on. Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh. Keep it in. Come on. Oh. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh.
You got that up too!
Woo. Go. Go. Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Go. 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 Nelson again! Brock Nelson, their 81st goal of the year. Yes, 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 yes! Come on!
Come on, boys. Move it, move it.
Come on. Come on. What the hell are you waiting for? Come on.
Let's play full on.
Ah, damn. Oh, no. Oh, good save. Come on. Go, Char. Go. Come on! Oh! Good. Come on! Yeah! Let's go! We are tied again! Wait.
After coach challenge review, it's been determined the play was offside.
Fuck! Fuck you! Come on. Oh, we're underway in the third.
I saw that as one of the things.
Come on! Oh! Come on! Come on! Oh! Come on! Turnover!
Are you serious? You can hear the slap.
Come on!
Never tried to do it.
Oh.